1-2 runners go, and it's outside. Here's the throw down to third, and safe. And the Red Sox with another double steal. That's the third one on this road trip.
I mean, this is incredible. It really is. Some of the stuff that's happened to this club in this road trip. You talk about running, stealing bags. They're doing it all. We've seen this, what, 3 times now. Vazquez is not a burner, but they pick a great spot for this. They really do.
Bannister's thinking about challenging it inside his dugout. He hasn't given the sign yet.
Oh, he's safe.
And they do want to challenge. So very early in the game, they're going to challenge this call.
I thought he didn't tag him. I thought he just caught it more than anything else.
So this play is under review. The tag play at third base. Originally ruled safe on a double steal. Let's watch it again.
Let's see what happens here. I might be wrong. When he catches that ball, is he touching his thigh? Right? When he catches it and it touches his thigh. Wow, that's close. But you see me? His wrist is there. I don't know if he's touching him necessarily.
The other question is, do you have enough evidence to overturn it?
Exactly.
Not so sure they do.
Not so sure. You know, the spike just gets in. I don't know.
I thought with the naked eye he got in. I thought
he was safe. I thought he was safe easy. Meanwhile, close play.
So it's a very early challenge. The second inning, you lose that challenge and you lose it for the night. Although once the 8th inning gets underway, you can ask for a crew chief challenge.
But have you seen this from a Red Sox team? All this double stealing stuff. And, you know, Mookie's going to get a bag. Tendy could run. Bogarts could run. But there's guys that are running that aren't stealers. We've seen Vazquez early on steal a bag. He's trying to get another one.
Check out that left foot now. Did that tag get him on the thigh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Before the foot got to the bag.
He's catching it, but I don't know if he's necessarily tagging him at the same time.
Right.
Can't put the ranch on anything right now. I could be wrong.
And do you have the evidence to overturn it?
That's what I think. It's not enough.
See if they do rule him out or safe here, and he is going to be safe.